It's that time again, folks, for What's for Supper Wednesday. And today we're going to be fixing pork chops. We're going to be frying them. You got your pork chops here. We're going to be using lard. Now you can use coconut oil, vegetable oil, whatever you want to use to fry. We're going to be using a frying pan. We've got 1.5 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of cornmeal. We'll be combining them two together. And over here I've added a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of garlic. Now we're going to pound out these pork chops, make them a little bit thinner. Then we'll just roll them in the flour and start frying. Let's get started. Alright, just going to take a meat mallet. They didn't have no real thin ones yesterday when we bought them. So we're going to pound these down. I've done one here, you can see. Started off with this right here. It'll fry up quicker and be more tender. Now some people, they like thick pork chops. This way here, we're just going to be thinning them out a little bit. Let's get started. This here's a great stress reducer. Get to think about work. Just don't get your fingers in here. Alrighty, we'll stop here. We'll pick it back up here in a few minutes. I know you all don't want to see me doing this the whole time. Alrighty, we put the lard in there, letting it melt, and you can see we've got all the pork chops pounded out now. Okay, now we're going to pour in, combine the flour and the cornmeal together. There's the flour. Here's the cornmeal. And then here, the salt and pepper and garlic. Now we're just going to incorporate everything together. And then inside this bowl, now just combine it all together, and then we'll lay our pork chops in here and coat them. Okay. Alrighty, now we're just gonna place our pork chop down in here, coat it on both sides. Shake off the excess. Now, just lay it down here in our skillet. Okay. Have this in here ready to go. Just take it and press it down into the coating mixture you made. And folks, you can season up your flour and cornmeal however you want to here. It won't take real long to cook these as thin as we've made them. And then we're going to have some gravy. The mashed taters go along with it. Now we'll let that sit there. Look over here and turn these over. We'll let it brown up a little bit more than that there. Okay, we made sure it's up to temp. Now we're going to place that one in the oven. Okay. Alrighty, you can see here we got it out of the oven. We just put it on 170 in the oven just where it keep it warm. And Carolyn had a nice idea. Take the cooling rack, put it over top of the little cookie sheet, and set them up on there. That way it wouldn't get soggy on the bottom. Now let's get her plate fixed up. Okay, there's the finished product, folks. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. And if you would, if you think your friends may like this, let them know about us. You all have a blessed day. Thank you again.